Wow!
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay away and do it.
Hello, my name's Nick and this is That British Homestead. Very nice to meet you again, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at my eggplant or aubergine that has been grown in the UK without a greenhouse. Let's get started. So these are the egg, and I started them off in January and now it's July and they've started to set fruit. The first, they drop all of their flowers because they just do, I find, with aubergine. I've not put anything, no fertiliser, no nothing on them, and they're just growing really fabulously well. This variety is called Patio or Patio Mix, and they have already set fruit, and I've got so many compared to last year. I do think it's because I started them off so early. Eggplant does take quite a long time to set fruit and grow. So when the leaves start showing signs of not being happy, like this leaf, all I'm doing is pulling that off like so, 3 ducks, and that's it. That's all the maintenance I'm doing on them. If I see any sort of coloration like this, I might give them a little bit of organic fertiliser. So far, absolutely tons of flowers going on, which is quite fantastic.
Eggplant, it has a long season, so you'll get fruit at the end of the season. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or to say anything, please just say it in the comment below.